The Parblo Coast 16 is the newer, bigger brother to the Coast 13, the last display tablet I looked at from the company. It's made from a slim but sturdy plastic construction that doesn't bend or flex in the hand, and has a glass display with a matte coating to cut down on reflections. Moving the display size up to 15.6 inches while staying at the same 1080p resolution makes pixel density less than impressive in a 4K Retina world, but makes a lot of sense to me, allowing you to run the monitor at 1x scaling without much squinting, and the bigger size also adding some extra spacing for the hotkeys, which are unchanged from the 13-inch model, 2 sets of 4, and a jog dial. The Coast 16 doesn't ship with a stand, instead using a pair of built-in feet that pop out of the chassis to prop it up at 15 degrees. While you lose a bit of flexibility here, the angle is pretty comfortable, and the added portability from having one less thing to carry around is a pretty nice consolation prize. The Coast 16 makes a lot of sense for those looking for a drawing display that's big, but not too big, and the fact that the device is powered over USB-C and not the standard wall adapter makes it a compelling choice for the mobile professional who tends to work on location. Though I can only imagine what driving this on top of your notebook display will do to battery life. Driver installation went smoothly on my macOS test rig. I currently don't have a Windows machine on hand to test. And the driver options are predictably sparse, as nearly all Wacom alternative tablets are, letting you adjust the pressure curve for the pen, calibrate the display, and little else. Speaking of the pen, we get a pretty great stylus in the box, Parblo having upped their pen to 4096 levels of pressure, and bringing both a battery-free design and eraser to bear, but no tilt. The pen also comes with the standard magnetic clasp case that houses replacement nibs and a remover tool. Nothing surprising here. Using the Coast 16 was a pleasant affair. The colors of the IPS display were good, if not spectacular, and calibrated pleasantly out of the box. The display coating gives the screen just enough bite to keep my hand from sliding all over the place, and the pressure curve felt really good. Whether sketching or inking, I could make marks confidently. Surprisingly, the device even worked with Blender's texture painting feature, which I wasn't expecting. Usually these alternatives don't play very well with open source apps. Overall, I really enjoyed my time with the Coast 16. It's everything that was great about the Coast 13, just a little bigger and a little better. If you want a not too big, not too small second display on your desk, or the biggest portable companion to a notebook your backpack will comfortably allow, I really don't have any issues giving the Coast 16 my seal of approval, and a hearty recommendation. I'm Tom Oliver, and this is Rebel Pixels. Take it easy, everyone.